This is an emergency notice from the Kittitas County Sheriff's Office. There is an active wildfire north of Red Bridge Road east of Cle Elum. Red Bridge is closed between Masterson and Teenaway Road. All residences north and east to the Teenaway River are at Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice. Deputies are contacting other residences up the Teenaway with lower level notifications at this time. Please stay clear of the area for emergency traffic. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.